Do you know how programmers can verify their code without AI? Well, this is called a desk run. We're gonna use this method on this code. Here we have the same code, but in a different format. We have a list of numbers. We have an even list that if it's an even number, it's gonna be appended. And next, here is the same code as here, but is distributed in this way. So you see here we have a while loop, current index, length, and here's the same thing. Okay, so first we start off at current index, which is here, 0, is less than 5. Yes, it is, so it's true, and it goes inside. This if statement says if the list, the number list, which is 1, is module of 2 equals 0. So really a module, what it is a division. And the remainder, if it's 0, it's an even number. And if it's not, well, if it has a 1, it's an odd number. So in this case, this is false because it has 1 on it, and 1 is not an even number. And here we just, current number is 0 plus 1 equals 1. So we move 1 scale up. Now, the next number on the list is index 1. So is 2 an even number? Well, let's see, in position 1, value 2. Yes, it is an even number because the remainder is 0. So this one is true. So we're going to append it to the new list, to the even number. So here we add 2. All right, let's continue with the iteration. The current number now is 1 plus 1 equals 2. So is 2 greater than 5, less than 5? Yes, it is. So it enters. The current index has changed to index 2, value 3. All right, now let's see if 3 is an even or odd number. Here it is, and no, this doesn't qualify. So it skips it and it just keeps iterating to the next one, which is 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 is less than 5, so it enters, and now we have 3 as the current index. So let's move 1 over, and what is the value of 3? It's 4. So now, is 4 an even number? Yes, it is. It ends at a 0. So this is being appended to index 1, and one more. So now 3 plus 1 equals 4. 4 is less than 5. Yes, it is. So it enters. Now let's see, what's the value of 4? It's 5. The value of 5 is an even or odd number. Let's see, 5 mod 2 equals 0. Now it has a 1 on it. So we just jump it, skip it. Now 4 plus 1 equals 5. Now is 5 less than 5? No, it's not. It's equal. So this is false. And that's it for the desk run. And this is how programmers can understand a code if you don't understand what's going on with it, or just verify your own code without using AI, and your logic gets better at it. Thank you so much, and please subscribe. Thank you.